Now, this is one of my favorites. But my new wife agreed to support me in return of the transfer defense. I mean, just gut feeling. Anybody think that's going to work? Because I see this at least twice a year. I've got a case that I just finished up where a friend of mine represents a lady in a post-decree case. She's owed about $170,000 in permanent maintenance. It's about $3,300 a month. The husband stops paying, and this guy is a former trader, very wealthy guy, and he's smarter than any lawyer. So he buys 3 pieces of real estate. Buys a condo on Lakeshore Drive. He buys a summer home in Holland, Michigan, and he buys an estate in Sarasota, Florida. And because he's so smart and so much smarter than the rest of us, he decides that when he marries his new trophy wife, who had the perfect first name, Penny, I love that. So he marries Penny, and he decides, gee, I'm going to transfer all of these properties to her. And it was about $6 or $7 million worth of properties that he transfers to Penny. And because he's so much smarter than the rest of us, he decides that he's going to save on real estate transfer taxes. So he checks box E on the Illinois transfer deck, the exemption, which says that it's a transfer for less than $100. And he checks the same box, it's not the same statute, but it's the equivalent in Michigan and in Florida. And I get a copy of the deeds, and I say, boy, you're not so smart. And I move for summary judgment, and I was saying to the judge in my motion, gee, either he's committed real estate transfer tax fraud or a fraudulent transfer, take your pick. And after she stopped laughing, she granted summary